Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So the Toyota Tacoma, and so I remember unboxing Toyota Tacoma long back, around last year when 2023 set came, but with a different livery. So I don't remember, what livery is that now. It's been so long, and I'm unboxing quite a lot nowadays, and I'm buying quite a lot nowadays. So I'm not able to remember that. So, but there is a video, you can check it in my Hotwheels playlist. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to point this out. So I bought it for MRP, which is 179. So don't encourage scalpers, guys, again. Okay, so here is the first look of it. Honestly, the first look of this particular car, this looks really nice. Okay, as usual, you can see some kind of paint irregularities and scratches on the sunroof here, and even in the windshield here. Let me just put some light. You can see it here. The hood detail looks really amazing, and this part here is plastic, that is not metal. And yeah, here this part is also plastic, and okay, the livery looks really nice, and they do have you know headlight details here, the painted ones. Honestly, there is not much of a grill detail, like something embossed or something, like just painted on, but at least they got the logo right this time. And it has tail light detail as well, which is really nice. Honestly, I think it has four sides, right? One, two, three, and four. Yeah, now it has four sides details, and maybe only selected casting, few castings has this, I guess. So the body is metal and the chassis is plastic. I personally like this set of rims as well, because this looks really massive. So it is a little bit heavy. So someone actually asked me to buy a weighing scale. I actually bought one, but it is of very cheap quality, so I just put it in return. I don't want to use that for this week. So hopefully, maybe within next week, I will get a good one. I will just put some weight machine, weight scale, mini weight scale here, and I will just weight all these castings moving. Maybe a week later or so. Depends upon my time frame and when I'm actually getting that. Okay, so it does have some good interior detail to it, so, but the scratches on the windshield, it is really taking away that good moment. It does have rear view mirrors, which is really nice. Honestly, I do like the livery very much compared to previous year's one. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it does a lot of noise, and it doesn't roll really well, and the front wheel wobbles a lot. Rear wheel is fine. Even with a lot of force, it is not moving forward that much. But overall, if you are a collector, if you want to collect this is really a beautiful casting. You can my personal suggestion would be go ahead and get it if you are able to get this casting in your area. And one more thing, the fenders here and all these things, so these are actually plastic, these are not metal. Here you can see the black parts. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.